Hey everybody, and welcome to my new channel where we are going to make cooking and baking easy and simple. Today we are going to make cake Malay Koesisters. I got the recipe from a friend of mine. It's authentic as it gets. I'm Malay also, so I guess any Koesisters I make should be Malay, right? First we are going to boil 2 medium potatoes. Leave the potatoes to boil and let's get started with the flour. In a mixing bowl we are going to add 4 cups of cake flour. Next we are going to take 180 grams of softened butter. We're going to rub it in until it represents breadcrumbs. One of the defining ingredients in Koeksisters is Naartjie peel. We need to dry a Naartjie peel for about 2 days and grind it well. We will now take all the dry ingredients and add it to the mixture. This was my first attempt at making Koesisters and it came out great. If I can do it, you guys can do it. I'm a beginner in the kitchen and it came out awesome. Here we are combining half a cup of lukewarm water with half a cup of lukewarm milk. Little hands are the secret ingredients. Add the yeast, mix it well and leave it aside for about 10 minutes until the yeast starts to bubble. Now would be a good time to take your potato and mash it. Mash it really well. Make sure there's no humps. Beat 1 egg. Add the egg, the mashed potato, and the yeast mixture into the flour. Prepare yourself for some sticky fingers. We're going to need to mix it really well here and knead it quite a bit. You need to keep on kneading until the dough is smooth. I actually used a cake mixer to save me some time. Try to even out any inconsistencies. My mom advised me on this one to rub some olive oil onto your hands so that the dough doesn't stick to your hands and you can make a nice round ball. Place the dough in a closed container and leave it to rise to about double the size. Now that the dough has risen, we are going to roll the dough into golf size balls. Not much bigger than that, just make sure it's about golf size. The pan that you're going to put the balls in must be greased beforehand. I made a few here too big, but this one is about the right size. Now we are going to fry the Koesisters in some oil. Use quite a bit in the deep pan so you can get a few done at once. Fry them until they're about golden brownish. And now for the yummy syrup. We are going to add 2 cups of sugar and 1.5 cups of water. Toss in some cinnamon sticks and elachie for taste. The syrup should run off your spoon a bit slower than normal water would. For the duration of how long you soak the Koesister is basically up to you how syrupy you want it. I estimated about 2 minutes on each side for my preference. After syruping, we are going to put the Koesisters on a tray layered with coconut. You can sprinkle more coconut on top of it, and coconut is per preference, so some people don't like it, it's up to you. There we have it. Enjoy. Make a good coffee with it. Perfect for a Sunday morning as per tradition. And I would love to see how it comes out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. I'll put more videos up in future. If you do make the Koesisters, please reach out. Tell me how it was. Send me a picture. Send me a review. Drop me a message. I'd love to hear from you guys.